Are you a Lego fan and looking for a way to make your passion cost you much less, or to allow as many people as possible to replicate your creations? You are in the right place. In this short video, I will explain how you can generate several €100 every month 24/7 thanks to your passion for bricks. Before presenting the main points of my method, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Paul Grifferton, also known as Polo. I am a Lego fan, and you may have seen me on television in the show France's Got Talent, in the show The Kings of Lego, or in several articles in specialized magazines like BrickMag. I am also the creator of the website Planet GBC, which has become over time the #1 site in the world for ball machines and Lego automata. I am an expert in creating and selling building instructions, and thanks to these skills, I am partnered with many international designers, several of whom exhibit in the masterpiece gallery of the famous Lego house in Billund, in Denmark. Over the past 5 years, I have met many creators in the world of bricks who offered fantastic original constructions and had a very high demand from their admirers to buy their creations or to be able to reproduce them, and who could not meet this demand. I have also met many frustrated fans who could not reproduce the creations of their favorite designers. I therefore decided to launch the BRICKSBIZ training, which will allow you, whether you are a creator of original constructions or simply a fan of the Danish brand, to create, sell, and promote your own creations, or those of partners through the sale of professional building instructions and ready-to-build kits, in less than 4 weeks. By following step-by-step the stages and practical exercises from the many videos in the training, you will have learned how to create professional building instructions worthy of being included in official Lego boxes. You will have put them up for sale on the internet, and you will have learned how to promote them through social media. And above all, you will have generated your first dollars. By following the BRICKSBIZ training, you will also have all the keys to sell your ready-to-build kits with real Lego bricks and without going through long and ultra-selective programs like Lego Ideas. If you're a creator of original mocs, imagine offering the many people who appreciate your work the opportunity to buy some of your creations and to be able to reproduce them at home. And this will happen in just a few weeks. This is not science fiction, but rather what I am proposing you to achieve through the BRICKSBIZ training, even if you are not an expert in computer science, sales, or marketing. If you are interested in learning this method, and especially in making your first euros to finance your passion, you can click the button below and take advantage of 4 hours of completely free training, after which you will already be able to sell your first building instructions. Due to space limitations with my supplier, access to the free training is limited to a certain number of spots per month. So if you are highly motivated to learn the many ways to finance your passion for Danish bricks, quickly fill in your details below and you will receive your access credentials for the free training. Even though I will offer you the opportunity to join the complete support program of the BRICKSBIZ training at the end of this free training, signing up for the free training does not commit you to anything. And on top of that, you can unsubscribe at any time with a single click. So click the button below, confirm your registration, check your email inbox, including the spam folder, and dive into the BRICKSBIZ training to monetize your creations.